Ready to supercharge your podcast by moving it from Buzzsprout to the expansive platform of Spotify? Begin by preparing your Buzzsprout RSS feed in Buzzsprout. Navigate to your podcast settings, often labeled podcast settings or distribution. Get your RSS feed URL. This is the key for apps to find your content if possible. Set up a feed redirection in Buzzsprout to ensure listeners find your podcast uninterrupted. Next, go to Spotify for Podcasters, locate the section to import podcasts and paste your RSS feed URL. Spotify will fetch your episode details automatically, including titles, descriptions, and artwork. Post importation, verify ownership, usually via email. Examine all imported episodes to ensure accuracy. Fix any inaccuracies and review the podcast settings before proceeding. Finally, manage your Spotify settings, including monetization options. Regularly monitor your analytics dashboard to track your progress and understand your audience. Embrace the extended reach and welcome yourself to Spotify.